Well, we wrap up our themed travel show with some tips and some hacks from one of the best because she has traveled all over the world. Marilou Moles joins us, travel expert and founder of 20 York Street Media. Marilou, you must be chomping at the bit to be doing some traveling.
Oh my God. First of all, I'm so happy to be back at daytime and so happy to see you and so thrilled that we're traveling again.
Oh, no kidding. Well, let's talk about travel when it comes to luggage allowance because so many people tend to overpack. What do we have to keep in mind for luggage allowance?
So first things first is exactly what you're going to do is check with your airlines, your travel agent, and see what allowance you have when it comes to your baggage. If you're traveling international or domestic, you could be paying for those extra luggage that you might have. For a general rule, when you're traveling internationally, you're allowed two big luggage that are 50 kilograms and a carry-on just like this and a personal item. So this is why it's very, very important that you check that your luggages are actually airline approved.
Right.
So for
I know with
example, for
you,
this one, you can actually see that this is carry-on approved, that you can bring it to the cabin.
right. I know one of your goals is to just travel with the carry-on. Sometimes a difficult goal, but it can be done, right?
It can be done. So one of the rules for this one is like you always don't pack bulky items. So as our previous guest was saying that destinations like Iceland or some people are going to winter wonderland, so you still need your parka, right? So we have here, for example, a toboggan parka. It's really warm. You do not want to pack this even if you have a baggage allowance. So what you're going to do is you're going to actually wear it, and when you get to the plane you can double up and wear it as a blanket, same as this one that we have for men. It's not always comfortable to be in a plane, Derek. So sometimes,
Yeah.
people tend to have those pillows, travel pillows, right? So why not pick a jacket like this one? This is the Leah from Top Gun again. It already looks like a pillow. So when you get to the plane, you can just wrap it up, fold it, and voila, you've got a pillow right here. Because
You
again,
got the
your
perfect
whole
pillow.
goal is that if you can just travel with this little thing, you're going to be out of that airport as fast as you can, and you're going to be in the resort, you're going to be in the beach, you're going to be in the mountain, and start your vacation.
Okay, well then the important thing is if I'm going to pack just with that small carry-on, how do I pack it properly?
Yes, that's what we're going to get into. There's a lot of travel accessories that you can use, and one of the most important ones are these packing cubes.
Okay.
These are really inexpensive. You can get it from, your local dollar store. You can also check some travel stores that we have here in Ottawa. There's Ready Set Go in Bank Street. Make sure that you check local stores that have it because these are lifesavers. So what they give you is compartments within this luggages, Derek. So what you
Right.
can do is different things, right? So you can put things like all your pants are here, all your shirts are here, or you can also, if you know exactly what you're doing for that day, you can pack your entire outfit for one day and put them right in one of these packing cubes. How neat is
Nice.
that?
I love it. Now I see on the on my left, on your right, you have at the front there a bunch of clothes and it looks like you've rolled them instead of folded them. Why have you done that?
That's right, because I wanted to show you, and we've tested this many times during the many travels. The question is, do you fold or do you roll? And you and I
Right.
are going to do that in a bit. But see, these are the examples of rolling your sweaters. For example, you can fit about 5 here. Whereas if I fold it, look, it's not even getting into the packing cube.
Right.
See the difference right here? So we're going to do that in a bit. One of the other things, of course, is if you remember, before this whole pandemic started, we have restrictions of what we can carry to the cabin. The same thing applies. You only have 100 ml, when it comes to your liquid, shampoo, conditioner. So you don't want to carry big, expensive products, right? You want to get
Right.
one of those that are disposable, like little ones like this. It already comes in pouches. So what you can do is you can just grab your shampoo, put in some of these, and that way, even if you lose them, even if you don't feel like bringing them back, you are not
It's
really losing anything, and you
Mary Lou,
save a
I
lot
know
of
you
space.
wanted. I know you wanted to full do some rolling with me, so I brought my own. I'm going to wrap up this segment because we've run out of time, but it's very easy. I mean, just roll it up and make it easy for yourself, folks. Enjoy your travels, and we'll see you next time.